beauties, I hope you guys are having a great day. I am super excited to be here today in this new video showing you guys some new eyeshadow palettes. Yay! So I am super duper excited because I was seeing my friends Rosario Grajales Insta story and she was in this event with Carlos Marquez, which is a motivational speaker that talks about business and growing your business and starting a business. I DM'd her and I was like, let me know how these work. I really I want to buy them, you know? So she was so nice and decided to, you know, ask for a box for me, a PR box. And there are 5 of these. So they are super cool, guys. So the concept is a little different because, I mean, I won't be able to... The names of these are very Mexican, okay? Mexican as in like, I wouldn't know how to explain it. Bordado, for example, it's like, I don't know if you guys have ever seen, I'm gonna bring one of these right now. I can't go all the way downstairs. But I'll put a picture here of bordado, which is usually, you can make anything bordado, really. So it could be like a little design for your table. It could be something for your bed. It could be like a bunch of things. And this is something your abuelita will be like doing. Macaria is actually the name of Carlos Marquez. Her aunt really supported him and what he wanted to do in life, so he decided to make this beauty line named after her. Before I show you guys any names, any colors, I want to roll a clip of me when I didn't have makeup, because this morning I did my makeup and I made sure to do my eyeshadow with some of the palettes. So let's watch.
And here I will be applying a light pink, which is probably the lightest color I will be using, and I will also be using it as a transition color. And I am planning to use pink, dark pink, purple and orange. So let's see how this turns out. I am very excited. And here I am using Rosa Mexicano, which is a darker, a brighter pink, I think you can say. So like you guys could see, I'm just doing it in the corner. I'm not really dragging it like the other one all the way to the front. And here I applied a light purple just so I could have it as a base. For this next color, I will be applying this really nice shimmery purple. I really loved it. It actually looks lighter than what it does in real life. But then I continue with this orange one right here, and I would just wanted to put a little bit because I am also going to be putting this color in the bottom, and you guys will see like here. And I also decided to do just a little bit darker. I just wanted to be more colorful, more of a vibrant orange. And well, here I'm just pretty much showing you guys how it looks with my phone camera. I just feel like the colors are more accurate because for some reason my camera just is not catching the colors how it's supposed to. Something to check into.
Yes, so saying that, this is going to be the main palette, Siempre Viva, so always alive. Just to give you guys an example of the colors that we have here, they're very Mexican names. So it's Lupita, Concha, Camelia, Maria, Ana, Licha, Alma, Isabel, Antonia, Tere, Yolanda. So it's all like names that are like Mexican names. So like that's the whole concept, is very Mexican inspired brand. This whole palette is pretty much all it's not matte. Lejo is exactly this, but Cuarzo, this color, okay, I just want to show you guys. Ooh, look at that, look at that. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful aqua color. I really can't wait to wear this. I will be going to Cancun in a few weeks and I can't wait to take this and try it over there. Like, I could just think of so many looks that I can do with this. This was the one that I used on the look that I have right now mostly, which is papel picado, which is this type of paper you guys usually see in parties, which is like that thin paper you guys put like on top of gifts, or like when you wrap gifts, and like they just have different designs. So the colors here, some of them are matte, 3 are matte, 3 are not. Recuerdo, Rosa Mexicano, Alma, Memoria, Suspiro, Nostalgia, Cielo. Okay, and then bordado. Okay, bordado, like you could tell, is exactly this. I'll show you guys some examples right here. These are some decor that you might have around. You will definitely find in a Mexican home. They'll have it in their table. They'll have it even where they put their tortillas. They'll have it everywhere. everywhere. Okay, I have some few stuff my abuelita has gave me, my Nina, that's how I call her. And then, exactly, look, abuelita, that's one of the colors. Chambrita, tejido, cobijita, estambre, listón, costurero, dedal, punto de cruz. So all this has to do with like lo bordado. So we're gonna, you already saw Maria, so we're gonna swatch here Yolanda so you guys could kind of see it. And then right away you could see the color payoff. It's really, really good. Oh, there you go. It's pretty good. Like that was only one. And what I was noticing for the ones that are not matte, this color Irma, look at this. Oh, why isn't it like freaking, okay, there you go. It's so beautiful. Look, it's so shimmery and nice. But I feel like if you need to get it with the brush, because once I put it on here, it just doesn't look as strong. So I feel like it would be best with the brush, because as soon as I just get it like this, it's good. Marta, let's try Marta with, it's another shimmery color, and you guys could tell, oh my god, this is like a highlighter gold. I don't know. We're gonna be trying bordado. We're not even gonna open that yet. It's the neutral colors. And you guys saw, I think you guys saw most of them. This one, the one, this one, guys, cuarzo, look at that. Oh my god, so pretty. Look. Oh, that's beautiful. Color payoff, it's really, really good. And if you guys have any more questions on where they ship and stuff like that, you guys could definitely visit MACARIAbeauty.com. I decided to create this look because I feel like, oh my god, summer is almost over. I want to make sure I use all these vibrant, colorful colors on me just before summer ends. It's just like a thing of like, you know, summer, colorful colors. Do not miss my next video because I will show you guys 5 of my favorite summer outfits, and it's not too late to recreate any of them, so make sure you stay tuned for my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. See you guys till next time. Bye.